Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. Tonight we got loaded Italian sausages on the Blackstone. Recently we had our good friends, they know who they are, come and visit us for July 4th weekend. And their son, Bryce, or our second son, Bryce, asked us for some Blackstone recipes. So you'll see that the last one we did was the Monterey chicken sandwich, and we got this tonight. So this one goes out to you, Bryce. Super simple, super easy. You guys see minimal ingredients, but I'll review them anyways. The Cubanelle peppers, you can use green bell peppers or red bell peppers, an onion, and we love onions, so extra onion. This is one whole onion, one Cubanelle pepper. Going with the Tex-Mex again, it was delicious on the Monterey chicken sandwich, so we're gonna continue that. Butter to saute the veggies, a pack of Italian sausages. We got sweet. If Triple M wasn't here, the missus, the CEO, we'd have some hot, spicy ones and some bread for our sandwiches. So follow along as we make this simple Blackstone recipe. Got our sausages ready. We're gonna prepare them by simply slicing down the middle. And they will go on the Blackstone meat side down. And that's our goal. So we'll get them ready and we'll prepare them all ready before we head outside. So I got them all split up, press them so they're flat. And while I'm here on this side, I'll get my Tex-Mex mix and just light coating, because obviously I don't want to overwhelm the Italian seasonings or the Italian sausage, but since we're going out there, we'll cover that up. And meet you at the Blackstone. We're outside at the Blackstone. It's been preheated. We're ready to get our veggies on, and then we'll start making the sandwich. Here we go. First, I'll get my oil on the griddle and get a nice little skim coat, and then add my veggies. Tex-Mex this time. I like it because it brings some citrus to the party. We'll get these sauteed up and then we'll pull them to the side and go to the next steps. Don't forget to add your butter, like I almost did. Get your mayonnaise coated bread and get it on the griddle for some toasting while we're cooking the rest of the ingredients. So our onions and peppers have some good caramelization. I'm going to pull them off and put them onto the cold side of the griddle, or the Blackstone, and then I'll add the main star of the show. And I'll put this cut side down. I'm looking for some golden color on it, and then I'll flip it. Until I have that color, I'm not good. And while I'm still here, I'm gonna season the back side of it with some more of that Tex-Mex. And let that go for a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. That's the color you're after on the bread. So I've got about 2 minutes this side. I'm gonna flip, and that's the color we're after. We're gonna go probably 2 more minutes on this side, and then we'll show you the next steps. It's looking good. Now that I've got my sausages good color, I'm ready to flip, and they are now cut side down. And I'll go ahead and add on the onions and the peppers. We said they were loaded. It smells just like those Zeppelis you got at the state fair. And then last but not least, some cheese. Don't be cheap, right, Marcus? Don't be cheap with cheese. And then cover it up with your cover and let that go for a few minutes. And now our masterpiece is ready to come off the grill. Nice and messy. And we'll go ahead and take this off. And our almost forgot, gotta put the base. The base. I don't know who doesn't eat that sandwich. We're gonna try and eat that sandwich. onto our base. That's what you call a loaded Italian sausage sandwich. Back inside, and we're ready to go. So I'm gonna somehow make this masterpiece as someone's phone goes off onto the plate, onto our cutting board here. We're amongst family here, so we'll make that fit somehow. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up and make my sandwich. We got one here, and we got one here. But I'm only focusing on the one I'm about to go in and taste. That's all I'm focusing on. Doesn't take much. Take this and try to do a halfway decent cross section shot. How's that look?
Good.
Can I taste? All right, let's see what we got as cheese comes out.
And onions.
I shouldn't have taken such a big bite, but that's freaking delicious. Again, if it was just me, I would do a spicy sausage because that's delicious, but this is good anyway. Sweet sausage. The Tex-Mex brings some flavor, the onions, the peppers, the cheese, the bread toasted with the mayonnaise. Winner. Guys, if you like the video, like the video. Bryce, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make, and subscribe for more. That said, sweetheart,
buen tiempo.
time to eat. ¿Qué me enseña ahora? Ahorita. Look, I tricked you to coming in. Come on, don't be shy.
Oh, that's good.
Bye, guys.
Oh, that's good.
Totalmente diferente, right?